Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, I'll be covering the proper upper and lower formula. So here we have a table and we've got some names here on the text column of this table. And as you see, the text is a little distorted and we can use the proper upper and lower formula to help fix this. So let's start off with proper. Now what this will do is it will ensure it is in normal sentence case with each word capitalized. So if I start off with the equals and I type proper and I open it, then I can select my text, which is in this cell and it's in the text column. And I will close that and click enter. And as you see, it is now fixed everyone's names here. So AJ Murray, Satya Nadella, and so on is now written in normal, capitalizing each word sort of case. You can also put everything in block capitals by having it all in uppercase by using the upper formula. So if I do equals upper, and as you see, it only needs one input, which is my text, and I'll use the text column value of AJ Murray here, and I'll hit enter, and in the table it auto pulls down the formula to every other cell, and as you see now everything is in block capitals. However, if I want it all in lowercase, I can do that as well by using the lower formula. By doing equals lower, then I click on the cell that I want it to perform the function on, and then I will close it. And as you see, it does the same again, with everything now in lowercase. Stay tuned for more Excel essentials.